We are so busy, but never too busy to show you what's in this month's swag bag. Everything in this bag is for being on the go. Now, I love to put an eye patch on when I drop my kids off at school, so I think you should do the same thing. In fact, I dare you. Tag me and let me know. Patchology is the eye patch that we're using this month. I'm obsessed with it. It has green tea extract, mulberry extract, and even vitamin C. I put these on for a good like 20 minutes. Oh, it's cooling. It's invigorating. It's gonna take your dark circles down, your puffiness down. It's gonna also take away hyperpigmentation. People are like, let me just use my best friend Jamie in Maryland. When I brought these to her, she tried them and she's like, these are awesome. How often should I do these? And I was like, every day. Why wouldn't you treat yourself to this every day if you can? Whether it's before you go to bed or when you first wake up, I love to start the day with these. I just think it makes you just look alive. It's coffee, caffeine, green tea for your face. Okay, so a lot of people have been targeting me about problematic skin. A lot of times in the sun when we're running around and we have SPF and we have all this stuff going on, we tend to break out more. Yep, someone's cleaning the yard, it's fine. You know, whenever we start to shoot, things get really loud. Goldfaden MD has given us this luxurious gel called the Detox Hydrating Gel. This stuff is amazing because it clears your skin and hydrates. It's oil-free, so if you feel like your skin is just having a moment, this is what you want to use. It has a little bit of salicylic acid in it, and it's clear and really hydrating and soothing. You can just place it all over your clean skin. It's like an active hydration experience. Foundation, we got one. We got the Balm, the foundation Balm from Kevyn. Look at this gorgeous packaging, and it comes with a brush, and I'm obsessed with this. So we have this gorgeous texture here. You just scoop her up like that, put it on the brush, and then just blend it onto your skin. My aesthetic is super natural. This actual foundation balm makes your skin look super natural, like you're not wearing any foundation, but you are, and that's what I love about this. It's non-visible. And you know, Kevyn holds a place in my heart. I think everyone out there who was into makeup back in the day had all his books. We would follow everything he did. He was kind of like the first genius ever in makeup. This stuff is the Balm, and it's called the Foundation Balm. And I love it, and I love the packaging, I love how light it feels, and I love the way it looks. Thanks, Kevyn. Now here's the thing, matching foundations is very difficult. Let's say yours doesn't work. We all tried to match them up as close as possible. You can take another foundation, mix it in. You could buy another foundation that's lighter or darker compared and mix it in, or you can give it to a friend. If it's too light, then wait till the winter, because you know we all get like a shade lighter in the winter. If it's too dark, then honey, work that and be tanner. You know what I'm saying? Or keep it for next summer. This is a new thing that we're doing, so let's see how it works. This is a fabulous foundation. I'm really psyched we have it, and I hope you love it. Okay, so you guys know that Colourpop holds a really dear place in my heart because I did a collab with them before they became one of the biggest brands in the world. We have the Super Shock Cheek. This is double down. This is good for all skin types. It does have a luminosity. Look at this. So you can place it on the highest point of your cheeks. You can put it on your cheeks. You can put it in your eye area, on the bow of your lip, down your nose. So if you have your Sigma highlighter brush, you can use this to place it wherever you want. Look at that, you guys. It's gorgeous. You better work, Colourpop. One of the biggest requests we've gotten is for Benefit. We got you the 24-hour brow setting gel. It's an invisible gel that will set your bushy, beautiful brows for the whole night. What we're gonna do is just blend it into your brows. It's gonna set your brows. It's like a gel. It's like spraying your hair. We don't want to show anybody my hair because that's a little scary, but when you do your hair, you usually put some product in it to hold it in place. That's exactly what we're doing with this 24-hour brow setter. I love their packaging. Their packaging is so amazing. You guys are going to love this. You're going to fall in love with this. This is going to become a staple in your life, and you have me to thank. And Benefit, of course. So Maybelline coming in hot, not one product, but two products. The Tattoo Ink Studio Eyeliner and the Snap Mascara. These are the best. I'm gonna use them right now. I want an eyeliner that is easy to use. This comes in this form. It's a little brush. And let's just see, I'm gonna go over my, oh my God. You guys, this is easy to use. I'm not even balancing. And look, if you wanted a good, this is so easy to use.
Wait, that was so impressive.
Right? So much better than what I did before. Look at the before and after. This is gonna stay on. They call it Tattoo Studio because it stays on. I mean, it's night and day, people. Put some mascara. This is in black. Great cone brush. And it really makes your lashes thicker. This is such an inky color, and these come in like a lot of different colors. You better work Maybelline. Maybelline's one of those product lines that has everything that you need in it. What eyeliner was this? This eyeliner costs a lot of money, and it's sweaty and gross. I worked out with it, and look at this one. Just saying. Chuda, listen, Chuda. You guys have loved everything that Chuda has given us. Actually, they're giving us something that they already gave us again because so many people asked about it, and it's funny because I'm out of it. That's why I don't have it to show you. I am out of it. It is the exfoliating scrub. Woohoo! So normally I would say you should just buy it and support the brand, but they were happy enough to give us another round of it. It was in the bag a couple months ago. So here we go. I love to take it in my shower, squeeze it out. It has the silica beads. You're gonna keep washing. They're gonna take out impurities, dirt, clean your pores. You can't over exfoliate because it's very soft, and what happens is they end up disappearing once they've gotten all the dirt off. So if you keep feeling it, it means you haven't exfoliated enough, and you're gonna be so happy, and then you're gonna run out again, and then you're gonna have to purchase it. Okay, because I'm only doing this once for you. Once. We have an extra goodie, which I try to get. It's harder than you think to get extra goodies, but this extra goodie is extra goodie. It's a B12 shot, and not in your butt ski, it's in your mouth ski. So this is from MB Pure, which we love them so much. I love them so much, they keep me regular. This is a vegan, vegetarian B12 spray. Now they have it. Now you're gonna shake it really well, and you're gonna spray it. It tastes really good. So if you're vegetarian and vegan, you probably don't eat a lot of eggs and meat, and that's where B12 is, so you need to replace the B12. Also, if you're just feeling a little sluggish, you want a little B12 in your life because it's going to give you the extra pep in your step. You guys, everything was quick and on the go because I didn't have time to shower because I have 100 different things I need to be at today. Kids stuff that they don't care if I look like this. But what I'm saying is thank you for supporting the swag bag. For all of you that got it, you're lucky because it is sold out. If you want to get a swag bag or just want to be part of the crew, go to JamieMakeup.com and sign up to be in my crew, and you're going to get so many fun tips and tricks so that I can be your personal makeup artist. Have a great day.